This is one of my favorite exercises and machines. I would have one in my house if I could. Hammer strength, high row. A lot of the hammer strength plate loaded. So it's weird. You see there's two right here. This one is you press and you still load the weight here. This one's a high row, but you still load the weight here. So only one person can use this machine, but it looks tricky. So come over here. You want to, the seat, it adjusts like this. You pick up on it. I usually go all the way up because I'm tiny. This, same thing, you lift up and it goes up and down. This is to lock your legs in. So you kind of want to get it up. This is what I like to do when you go real heavy. Kind of put it up so it's not locking you in. Reach up and grab. Now, here's the thing. Say you want wide lats. Sometimes I grab the outside of the machine. It just depends on what you're doing that day for grips. This is going to work your biceps more than like this one. Let's just go this way. So you bring it down, kick this up, and then it fell right on your knees. So you go forward, keep your chest up. Now here's what you don't want. Probably, okay, watch, here's what you don't want. Same thing as with the pull-ups. I'm gonna muscle this down with my chest. See the difference? Yeah, I'm just trying to get it down. That's not good. You want to stay chest high, clavicle wide and open.
Was there all much game? Well, we this and